In the 4.6 billion years of Earth's history, both in the oceans and on land, there have been terrifying giants that humans could never imagine. Today, I will take you through a list of the 6 rulers that existed in ancient Earth. The first one is Anomalocaris, the first ruler of the Earth. Its body length could reach over 2 meters, and it was widely distributed in the ocean during the Cambrian period. In 2011, paleontologists found Anomalocaris compound eyes in Australia and discovered that its vision was over 30 times more sensitive than trilobites. This means that at the time, no creature could escape its detection. However, what really made Anomalocaris dominate the Earth were the 2 large claws on its mouth. The claws were covered in dense, sharp spines and could instantly attack prey. It would then quickly stuff the prey into its 25-centimeter wide mouth, which was filled with sharp teeth like gears. Even the hard shell of trilobites could easily be crushed by Anomalocaris. The second one is Orthoceras, the second ruler of the Earth. Its body length could reach up to 10 meters. With an extremely hard, shuttle-shaped outer shell, Orthoceras' greatest weapon was its multiple thick, muscular tentacles. When it detected prey, it would quickly jet forward and use its long tentacles to trap the prey before tearing it apart with its ferocious mouth. During the heyday of invertebrates, Orthoceras dominated the entire ocean with its huge body, sensitive sense of smell, and fierce feeding style. The third one is Eurypterid, the third ruler of the Earth. It looked like a scorpion and developed during that time. They generally had 6 pairs of legs, and the first pair was strengthened into large pincers, similar to the claws of crabs and lobsters, mainly used for hunting. In addition, Eurypterids were close relatives of modern arachnids and had a pair of well-developed compound eyes at the front of their bodies, which were useful for observing details during hunting. The fourth one is Dunkleosteus, the fourth ruler of the Earth. It was the largest known placoderm fish, reaching up to 10 meters in length and weighing over 4 tons. Its head was covered in a thick bony shell that effectively resisted attacks from opponents. With its sharp teeth, it could quickly release an exceptionally terrifying bite force. However, what is most incredible is that as the ruler of the Devonian period, Dunkleosteus did not have any teeth in its mouth. Instead, it had a beak-like structure and a body covered in bony armor, which ultimately led to its defeat in later evolution to species like sharks. The fifth one is Diplocalus, one of the largest animals on land at the time, with a body length exceeding 2 meters. It looked like a chubby crocodile, but one should not underestimate it because of its size. Unlike Dunkleosteus, Diplocalus was extremely agile and could catch fish in the water as well as prey on land animals. It was the perfect amphibious creature with its scales and large teeth in its mouth. Even a giant scorpion of nearly 1 meter could only be a meal for Diplocalus. The sixth one is Dimetrodon, which looked like a lizard but was not a dinosaur. It was a top predator during the Permian period, and its body length could reach 3.5 meters. It had an extremely tall, sail-like structure on its back. Scientists speculate that these sails acted like miniature air conditioners, allowing Dimetrodon to control its body temperature and hunt successfully in various environments. The most impressive feature of Dimetrodon was its 2 completely different types of teeth in its mouth. One type was the sharp canine teeth used to kill prey, while the other was the hard molars used to cut prey. It was undoubtedly the ruler of the Permian period.